Where's Corey now? Well, Stanford's a very tranquil place, and so we've come to the gates of hell to introduce our next module. Because our next module is on stress, and we're just back from a time outside of Las Vegas in the desert to film our stress module. And we have a little bit of a surprise for you in this module, because Corey was tired of being the guinea pig, so I volunteered to be the subject, and he's going to be the professor. The thing is, when I volunteered for this, we were going to jump out of the stratosphere, which is a 108-story tower attached to this sort of cable bungee jump thing. And that seemed completely doable, but due to a last-minute change in our plans that we had to make, we ended up skydiving. So, I was in a little over my head, but the good news is that everything worked out. We got great stress data, and Corey still hasn't stopped laughing about it. So, with that introduction, I'm going to pass over the microphone to Corey, Professor Dysick, who is going to take it from here. So take it away, Corey.
Thank you, Doctor. I'm tired of being the guinea pig. You're jumping, and you're going to be doing it from 15,000 feet out of a plane.
What?
So where's the doctor now? We currently find ourselves just south of Las Vegas at Skydive Las Vegas, preparing Dr. Friedlander for her 15,000-foot skydive drop. The human stress response is the human's elegant way of turning on all of the systems in the body that are absolutely crucial for either fighting or fleeing, and turning off or turning down the lower priority body systems that can wait to use energy later. As we watch Dr. Friedlander in the next few moments prepare, we're going to be appreciating the look of terror that she's probably going to have on the outside while
Match what's inside right now.
while simultaneously measuring physiologically what's going on the inside of her body, hopefully painting a picture and creating a story about her inner physiology. We're going to be taking a variety of measurements, her heart rate with the Garmin heart rate monitor. We're going to be using the SenseWear armband to collect data on skin conductance and skin temperature. And we're going to be collecting blood specimens to get information about what's happening to her stress hormones in the body. So beyond gaining an understanding about what's happening inside of her body, we want to be able to better understand what that means for Anne's daily functioning and performance. So we're going to be doing a series of performance tests, a cognitive performance test and a pain test to give us more information about how stress manifests itself, how stress impacts her body. I'm starting to feel nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm really nervous.
The doctor's nervous. I'm nervous. Let's see what happens.
Let's go do those tests. Woo!
All right. Any major surgeries, injuries, pins, plates, screws, rods, neck problems, back problems, knee problems, anything?
No.
Not right now.
Yeah. I mean, ever in our lives?
No pins, plates, screws, rods.
No.
Congratulations. And have you guys been 100% drug and alcohol free for the past 8 hours?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
That's right.
What a gift for us to be able to watch Anne stress out.
Hey, Mom.
What's up?
Getting chased.
By whom?
Lions, sharks with stress might save your life. But now,
What now?
having a cow.
How come?
This book,
Humans get stressed by their minds.
Stress again.
Okay.
Every day.
Don't say.
Type A.
Chronic stress might end your life.
Heart attacks.
And black.
Can't sleep.
Count sheep.
Count sacks. So don't get stressed late at
One
night.
night I didn't feel no stress. Started flexing my cerebral cortex. Like, how am I gonna see Rolex? What happened? We know next. My blood pumping started dumping and I felt more stress.
Remember what cell you study in the stress response show. It's the same whether you're hot, cold, distraught over that new watch you're getting caught by gatos, or with the girl flirting, nerves urging you to drop home.
In all above cases, two things going on.
Standing in the landing field, doing science. Friedlander lab, we go anywhere.
Anytime, anywhere.
Cellies though, it's an emergency. Mobilize the blood sugar. Wait, this girl's flirting, see no time to digest burgers.
Shut down growth, up your blood pressure. No long-term project, just short-term pleasure.
Okay, just made it. 3 minutes to spare.
Hey ma,
What's up?
getting chased.
By whom?
Lions, sharks with stress might save your life. But now,
What now?
having a cow.
How come?
This class, humans get stressed by their mind. Stressed again.
Okay.
And time starts now.
Okay.
When you are ready, flip over the page.
Wow.
And your minute is
Wow. Cow. Donuts, I should remember that one.
caribou.
X.
Bear.
All right. We did it. We did the test. We did the jump.
We got the data.
We got the data. We're going to all make sense of it.
Got a cram to pass, so stressed that your stomach's full of cramps and gas. Forgot where your hippocampus at. Couldn't find it even if you had a campus map.
How to avoid this? You gotta be flexible. Know when to fold them and when to eat your vegetables. Cause lots of Big Macs just provide knickknacks like art up on them artery walls. Big plaques.
Most important, a strong social network turns a baboon, somebody to groom you when you get hurt. But some use stress relief that's not so chivalrous. Instead of getting nurses themselves, they're giving them.
And when those jerks do well, it gets me stressed as hell. Got a call supposed to be on my cell. Yo, supposed to.
Hello.
I'm about to blow.
Breathe slow.
I'm out of whack.
Relax.
And that advice might save your life.